Hello and welcome to another 5-minute tech tip. I'm Dave Casuto with SF Tech Training. And in this 5-minute tech tip, we're going to learn about InDesign, how to put in page numbers, and how to do it using the master pages. So you want to make sure that you have your Pages panel open. If you don't already, go to Window, go to Pages. You can see I have 3 pages here. And each of the pages, if I double click here, I want to have a page number on here. Okay, at the bottom. So I'm going to double click to come back up to here. And you'll notice up on top, I also have a master, right? Meaning it's the letter A and it's the master. So what I want to do is put on a page number onto the master. If I do that, then it's going to show up on every one of these that has the letter A on it. Okay, so how do I get to this master? Just simply double click on there. Notice it's blank. Don't get scared. We're just someplace else. You can look in the lower left. It says I'm in A master. This is highlighted. These guys are still here. We just want to put a page number down here. So how do we do that? Very simply, I'm just going to add in a text box to do that. So I want it to be perfectly centered. So what I'm going to do is just highlight, click and drag just like that. And I'm going to make this in the center. And how do you do it? It's kind of buried in there and it's in a really weird place, but you go to Type. We come way down here. We go to Insert Special Character. We say Marker. We're going to say Current Page Number. I do that, and then if you zoom in a little bit, we'll see it says the letter A. Why A? That's weird. Because of the A master. It's just a placeholder. We don't have to worry about that. Okay? So I'm just going to go ahead and bring this down a little bit away from the text. And when I come back to my regular pages, I just double click back on that, you will see I now have page 1, page 2, and page 3. Just like that. It is that easy. So then let's just say I decide, you know what, I want to have this right aligned. I just go back, double click back on the master, come to the bottom here, double click, and I'm going to right align that. And maybe I want to have the word page in front of it. Oops. And then maybe I even want to put like a little line above this. So I can just go ahead and just draw a line. I have a little more. I'm going to hold down the Shift key to make that a straight line. And I'm going to make that stroke a little thicker. Okay, just add a little bit of visual interest, as we say. Okay, and then I'm going to come back here. Let's see what that looks like. So I added the word page in there, so that is there. And scroll down, of course, maybe a little bit too close to that line. I can very easily fix that. All right, now I'm going to do a whole lesson on master pages in general, but understand that this is all applying to the A master. Okay, if I wanted to have a page that I did not want to have any page numbers on, I would need to create a new master and then make that have no page number on it, and then apply that new master up to one of these pages. So you notice how they all say A on there. Okay, so that's why it's doing that. All right, so let me, just because I'm a little anal, I'm just going to go ahead and fix this. Let me move this over a little bit, give it a little bit of breathing room, and come back here and see how we like that. Much, much better. And I like the line. And then one nice little trick for you is if you hit the W key on your keyboard, all those lines go away. So that's pretty cool. If you hit Shift W, that actually will make it so it'll go nice and big, so you'll be able to see this. So you can actually, kind of like a presentation mode. I'm going to hit the Escape key, come right back, and then I'm going to hit the W key again so I can see all those markings and everything like that. So nice little trick for you as well. All right. So that is a 5-minute tech tip from InDesign on how to bring in page numbers, working a little bit with the master. I'm going to do some other videos on master and other InDesign things. So if you have any requests or suggestions, please let me know. You can find me here. You can comment. You can also email me on my website, SF Tech Training. Find me on LinkedIn, all that good stuff. And we will see you in the next video. Thanks.